Best cards to upgrade in Hamster Combat for maximum profits per hour boost. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you best cards to upgrade in Hamster Combat for maximum profits per hour boost. Whether you're on iPhone, iOS, or Android, now I know what you might be thinking. Hoarding coins seems safe, right? But trust me, strategic upgrades are your key to long-term success. Think of it like this. Upgrading a card that gives you a tiny profits per hour bump for a ton of coins might seem okay at first, but in the long run, you're slowing yourself down. We want the biggest bang for our buck, right? That means maximizing our return on investment, or ROI for short, by choosing upgrades that give us the most profits per hour for the least coins. We're on the fast track to profits per hour supremacy. Now the good news is, the specials section in Hamster Combat is hiding a treasure trove of high-yielding cards. The special section is where it's at. These special cards can seriously boost your hourly earnings. But there's a catch. Just because a card is special doesn't mean it's the best choice. We've got to be smart about this. Here's where things get interesting. Not all special cards are created equal. Some might offer a huge profits per hour increase, but the upgrade cost could be astronomical. Don't get blinded by that shiny profits per hour number. We need to find the cards that give us the most profits per hour for the least amount of coins. So how do we do this? It's all about comparing the upgrade cost of a card to the profits per hour boost it gives you. Basically, divide the upgrade cost by the profits per hour increase. The lower that number, the more value you're getting for your coins. By prioritizing cards with the lowest cost-effectiveness ratio, we're stretching our coins further and getting the most profits per hour for our investment. But wait, there's more. Some cards have hidden potential locked away like a sleeping giant. To unlock these bad boys, you might need to level up another card first. It's like a secret handshake to get into the profits per hour club. By strategically upgrading cards that unlock others, you can create a chain reaction of profits per hour boosts. Talk about a win-win. And don't forget about your daily opportunities. Hamster Combat throws some sweet bonuses your way every day. Keep an eye out for the daily combo cards. These are special card combinations that give you a big profits per hour jump if you upgrade them together. Plus, there's a daily reward system that can give you a whopping 5 million coins on day 10. That's free money for upgrades, baby! By combining these strategies, you'll be well on your way to profits per hour domination. Remember, consistent ROI calculations, cost-effectiveness analysis, unlocking hidden card potential, and taking advantage of daily bonuses. These are your weapons in the fight for profits per hour glory. So get out there, upgrade wisely, and become the profits per hour master you were always meant to be. And this is how to upgrade in Hamster Combat for maximum profits per hour boost. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.